If you are just trading standard VWAP, I can assure you, you are leaving money on the table, and I'm going to show you exactly why. I have something that is going to take your VWAP trading and strategies to the next level, and I'm not going to sell you on it. I'm just going to show it to you on the charts, and you are going to see it for yourself, and you can make your own decision from there. But one thing I will tell you, if you are trading and utilizing VWAP in your trading strategy, and you are not using this indicator, you are at a huge disadvantage to everyone else that is using them. Now, check this out. This is one chart. I didn't draw a single line. All I did was click one button, the Naked VWAP Suite by Alpha Intelligence, and everything you see was plotted on my chart in literal seconds, the entire market picture right there on any chart, 24/7. You switch charts, guess what? It pops right back up within seconds. You switch time frames, guess what? It pops right back up within seconds. Naked VWAP levels from every potential and possible time frames. You can also add the 3 VWAP levels that matter to you the most. As you can see, I have now popped up not only the daily, but the weekly and the monthly VWAPs, all on my chart, all at the same exact time. You can even go down and add what is called an anchored VWAP that will start from whatever date you want to start it from, all on your chart, all at the same time, 4 different VWAPs. We also have Confluence bubbles that tell you where all of these levels congregate. And the most important part that nobody else has, the actual volume that traded at those exact prices, showing you exactly what levels are going to hold up and which ones aren't. It's showing you the exact levels that are there, the exact prices that those levels are at, and the exact volume that traded at those exact prices. This function that I'm about to show you is absolutely crazy. No one else in the entire market has this, and it is called the hit levels. All you have to do is come down here and hit level styling, and you will see everything pop up on your chart that shows you every time a naked VWAP got hit. And as you can see, when these levels get hit, you see a reaction. Boom, went down. Boom, went up. Boom, went up. These are basic, easy scalping trade opportunities. You can see where it happened here, and you got a massive move up. We literally don't hide anything. I want you to go and back test. I want you to have the data. We want you to know what works and what doesn't, what VWAP levels hold up, and get the reactions that you're looking for and which ones don't. Nobody else does this. That's because they just want you to believe it works, whenever we actually want you to know that it works. You might be familiar with it, you might not. And if I lost you, I'm going to explain to you exactly what a naked level is. For example, this is a naked monthly level, this is a naked weekly level, and this is a naked daily VWAP level. And essentially what that means is that every time that VWAP resets at the end of a session, it leaves behind a level, a naked level. And price loves to return to these levels as an equilibrium price. And when it returns to these levels, you will see reactions happen. Most people forget about these levels over here, but institutions don't. This is where their average price was during that particular time period, whether it was a day, a week, a month, a year, whatever it is, this is what their average price was. So when they return it back to that level, they are more likely to defend that level. So long as you have the naked VWAP suite, you won't forget about these levels either, because they're automatically plotted on your chart. Every naked level from the daily to the yearly. You can back test it with the historical levels, and you can go back in time and see the reactions. These are called institutional levels, and there is nothing like this in the market. It simply doesn't exist, but it works, and it works very well. So if you don't have naked levels on your chart, you are doing yourself a serious disservice. This is not the only indicator. This is a suite of indicators, and you can try them for $7 to see if they work for you. I challenge you to do that, because if you are trading without naked levels on your chart, if you are trading without the things that are included inside of this indicator, you are trading at a serious disadvantage to every single person that is. So go check them out at getalphaindicators.com and make sure you get these bad boys on your chart.